Hey everyone, this is another attempt at FL Studio Mobile, and let's start a fresh new beat. I loaded up I believe it's a trance patch. Alright, let's try this out. Okay, so we've got this right here. We've got some hi-hats. I'm going to copy that. Uh-oh. There we go. And then I will... Oh. More. Less. More. Delete. Why can't I copy and paste? That's what I want to know. Alright. So I guess I will just have to... Can I duplicate this? Save as MIDI. Clone channel. Here we go. Yes, I would very much like to clone this. Alright. Whoa. Hey. Hey, that's not what I wanted. Okay, so... Alright. So I've got two measures of this. And I guess I'll... Let's try that again. We can delete that. From the beginning. Sorry, we're having issues. Okay. Alright, so I need to... Alright. So I need to have this up here. I need to have it visible. It can't be halfway. Remember, I'm still learning this program. I just got this program. I'm still figuring these things out. Record enable and press play. It seems the best way to go would be to actually draw in the notes. It just seems really difficult. You know, back in like 2013, I believe, I tried this out on my friend's phone. It was a more rudimentary version. It seemed way more user-friendly than this version. I'm sure that there's power users of this program, and they have some things to say to me about that, but I've wanted this for years, and it just doesn't seem to be working out the way I want it to. Copy. Oh. I see. I see. Well, now, they don't call it Fruity Loops for nothing. Wow. I do not have the right phone for this. I need to, like, have my fingers and hands at a really odd angle. Because if I touch, like, one corner, it stops the song. Okay, how do I stop? How do I... Okay. This is not working out the way I want it. I might as well just, like, grab a mouse and do this on my desktop. Transistor base. Okay, where's the base? Why? Oh, there it is. There it is. I figured it out. Okay. We're getting there. Hey. Okay, it's coming along. All right. This is not really the bass I want. Bass. Hey, damn it. I didn't get a chance to choose what I wanted. Well, this is just gonna have to do. Go to C1. Let's just go diatonic. Let's just say that we're in A natural minor, just for the sake of this argument. Alright, here we go. Damn it. Okay. I am really starting to lose my patience with this program. Wow. Cool, I guess that's, well, it won't even... Why is it not snapping to grid? Is snap to grid not enabled? Well, now it is. Okay, here we go. Alright, we're gonna snap to the grid. And, yeah, I guess this is how... Huh. Alright, cool. I guess it comes in every once in a while now. That's incredibly odd. I didn't think the notes would be sustained. This program is just full of bugs. I don't understand why it's so difficult. Clearly, this is not the right program for me, but I'm still gonna try. Damn it. Okay, I need to go back. Okay. What the hell is going on? Where did I feel like I need like a mount. Like I need to mount this to a tripod. It's a mobile app, but it is the most unuser-friendly thing I've ever used in my life. No, I don't want to cancel. How do I get back to my sequencer? Okay. Alright. Let's... How do I get back? How do I... What do I click? Again, I have watched 0 tutorial videos. I just want to dive into this baby. Let's see. Save as. July 0705 2020. There we go. I'm saving this. Remember, this is Branderson Beats and Tutorials. I know I use Reason 90% of the time, but it doesn't hurt to try out new things. Oh. That's a little strange. What instrument is this? Clone. Mini synth. Lead. Highway. Okay. Okay, well, I guess we could try that. Well, that's just going to have to do. So I'm going to zoom here. Why can't I zoom? This program just seems to work when it wants. Okay, so why does it do that? Why? Snap. Why does it wait a whole second bar? Okay, that's odd. Okay, well, I'm getting better at this program by the second. I still it's still very confusing as to how it works, but here's what I made. Wait a minute. Hold on. It seems the drums have been... There we go. Well. What about the master fader? How did the master fader get turned down? That is just so confusing. Alright, well, here we go. Here's this. Okay, well, it's it needs some work. If I could figure out how to do 1/16 note quantization, this would sound a little bit better. But there doesn't really seem to be much I can do for this. Yes, I want to save it. Well, that about does it for today. I've got a lot to do today. I'm not frustrated. I'm working. This is coming along. I just need some more time. So hopefully, within a week or two, I'll be a genius with this app. One can hope. But for now, I'm trying.